What's up, all you crazy box breaking, car collecting, sport card fans? This is Scott from LiveBoxBreaks.com coming in 9:59 Eastern, 8:59 Central here in Wisconsin. Two breaks for you tonight. But first, the bad break drawing for Tuesday night's breaks, giving away a $10 promo code. We'll randomize it 5 times. Here we go, number 1, 2, 3, 4, and the winner is going to be a Nate. And we'll start off with the eBay auction break of the Topps Chrome Baseball. Here's the roster for that one. Alright. Good luck, everybody. Nelson Cruz, Denard Spand, Yasmani Thomas, Todd Frazier, Dustin Pedroia, Colton Wong, Mookie Betts, Chrome Commencements, and Mookie Betts. Melky Cabrera, Brandon Crawford, Jose Bautista, Chris Archer, Edwin Encarnacion, Corey Kluber, J.J. Hardy, Adam Wainwright, Ian Desmond, Victor Martinez, on-card rookie auto blue refractor for the Yankees, Jacob Lindgren, going to Gonzon H, numbered 136 out of 150, and Freddie Freeman. Miguel Alfredo Gonzalez, Jason Rogers, Joe Panik, Albert Pujols, Clayton Kershaw, Brandon Finnegan, John Lester, Andrew McCutchen, Ramos Ramirez, Sonny Gray, purple refractor, 71 out of 250, going to Styling Beauty 40, Paul Konerko, Roded Odor, Nick Tropiano, Jacob deGrom, Michael Brantley, Eric Hosmer, Steven Moya, Anthony Ronaldo, future stars for the Rangers, Gilder Rodriguez, Yordani Hechavarria, Masahiro Tanaka, Carlos Rodon, Michael Fultonwitz, Danny Santana, Carlos Gonzalez, Garrett Richards, Troy Tulowitzki, Devin Travis, Ryan Braun, Brandon Crawford, Brandon Phillips, Russell Wilson, Yimi Garcia, Travis D'Arnaud, Jacques Peterson, gold refractor, 22 out of 50, going to Styling Beauty 40, and Anthony Rizzo, Dalton Pompey, James McCann, Kevin Kiermaier, Manny Machado, David Price, Jason Rogers, Derek Jeter, Gallery of the Greats, Michael Wacha, Troy Tulowitzki, on-card rookie auto for the Giants, Hunter Strickland, Giants going to Styling Beauty 40, Tommy La Stella, and Brandon Belt. Starling Marte, Nick Swisher, Dalton Pompey, Steven Souza Jr., Max Scherzer, Michael Brantley, Ken Giles, and Jose Altuve, Chris Sale, Dwayne Navarro, Terrence Gore, Jose Fernandez, Kevin Gossman, Yadier Molina, Justin Morneau, Dilson Herrera, Chris Owens, Samuel Tubialana, Brett Gardner, Scooter Jeanette, Hunter Pence, Maikel Franco, Reimer Lariano, Jorge Soler, Jonathan Papelbon, Adam Jones, David Price, and Josh Reddick. That'll do it for the Chrome. Now, let's get our roster for the 7-box break. We'll randomize it 5 times. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We'll paste the results against a list of teams in alphabetical order. Alright, we'll start off with the 2015 Certified. Alright, good luck everybody. Jordan Matthews, Arian Foster, Julio Jones, Ronald Darby to 9.99. There's the Kid Reporter insert. And a rookie auto, a nice looking 3-color patch for the Panthers, Devin Fuentes, 56 out of 299. Going to Gordon. Joik Bell, Rob Gronkowski, Bishop Sankey, Jamal Charles to 199. And on-card autograph for the Packers, a Super Bowl auto, Mark Shamura, 215 out of 291. Going to Henry. Philip Rivers, Richard Sherman, T.Y. Hilton, rookie gold team, Devontae Parker, and a Jordy Nelson. Colin Kaepernick, Le'Veon Bell, Jamal Charles, Michael Crabtree to 4.99. And a rookie jumbo patch for the Titans, Marcus Mariota, 625 out of 699. Going to Tad. Big Ben, Jay Cutler, Demarius Thomas, Landon Collins to 9.99. Spacer, Gale Sayers. Teddy Bridgewater, Ryan Tannehill, Cordero Patterson, Bud Dupree to 4.99. And Aaron Rodgers, Stars insert. Antonio Gates, Brandon Cooks, CJ Manuel, Barry Sanders to 9.99. And Odell Beckham Jr. skills insert. J.J. Watt, Andre Ellington, Des Bryant, blue parallel, 71 out of 99. Going to Gary, Mario Elford to 9.99. And Devin Fuentes, rookie patch, 414 out of 7.99. Going to Gordon. Dwayne Bowe, Carson Palmer, Julian Edelman, Joe Flacco, Le'Veon Bell, Jason Witten, Joe Flacco, Kenny Stills, Cedric Gordon, 28 out of 99, going to Ryan K. Spacer, and Eric Dickerson. We'll go 2014 playbook. And two booklets. First one looks like a case hit. Combo materials, 19 out of 25. Nope, not a case hit, excuse me. It'll go to the Browns. We have Johnny Manziel and Mike Evans. Browns will go to Tad. Congratulations. And a rookie booklet for the Raiders. Khalil Mack. Autograph dual patch. Going to Anthony P. 91 out of 299. 2015 Clear Vision. Sammy Watkins, Demarius Thomas, and a rookie jumbo patch for the Ravens, Buck Allen, 23 out of 99. Going to Henry. Rob Gronkowski, Jalen Strong, Brandon Marshall, DeMarco Murray, Randy Gregory, 1 out of 25. Going to Gary, and Davante Adams. Gerald McCoy, Spacer, Bud Dupree, and Big Ben. Calvin Johnson, Team Vision for the Redskins, and Drew Brees. Alex Smith, Jeremy Hill, and a Clarity Glass card for the Giants, Michael Strahan. Going to James B. Uh, 2013 playbook. Rookie Mammoth patch for the Niners, Marcus Lattimore, 12 out of 25. Going to Henry. Rookie auto for the Colts, Kerwin Williams, 90 out of 99. Another one for you, Henry. Rookie booklet for the Chargers, Manti Te'o, 175 out of 271. Chargers going to Henry. Rookie booklet for the Steelers, Landry Jones, Super Short Print 6, or 9, excuse me, out of 25. Steelers going to Gary. And 2015 Inception. Aaron Rodgers, LaShawn McCoy, Alex Smith, 32 out of 150, going to Ted. Nick Foles, 98 out of 150, going to Henry. On card rookie auto for the Jets, Bryce Petty, 22 out of 99, going to Henry. On card rookie auto for the Bills, Carlos Williams, going to Joshua W. And a rookie patch for the Niners, Mike Davis, 18 out of 75, going to Henry. Now the 2012 playbook. First, a redemption, a rookie booklet gold, going to Giants receiver Ruben Randall. Giants going to James B. Congratulations, James. Autograph for the Panthers, Steve Smith, going to Gordon, 37 out of 49. Rookie auto for the Cardinals, Jamal Fleming, going to Ramon, 55 out of 140. And a rookie gold parallel booklet for the Bills, TJ Graham, Wolfpack, going to Joshua W. Super short print, 7 out of 49. And now the Spectra football. First thrower of the Packers, Sterling Sharp, 36 out of 99. Going to Henry. Blue Prism quad patch for the Rams. We have Sean Mannion, Todd Gurley, Chris Long, and Trey Mason. Rams going to Henry, 42 out of 50. Autograph for the Cowboys, Joseph Randall. Going to Gary, 19 out of 99. And a rookie patch for the Redskins, Matt Jones. Going to Carlos, 156 out of 199. Blue Prism for the Vikings, Chris Carter, 38 out of 49. Going to Tad. Broncos, Peyton Manning. Going to Gordon, 34 out of 99. Rookie auto, 3-color patch for the Eagles, Nelson Aguilar. Eagles going to Tad, 7 out of 99. And a Sunday's best patch for the Jags, Marquise Lee. Going to Donald, 91 out of 199. Rookie Blue Prism die cut for the Raiders, Clive Wolford, 31 out of 35. Going to Anthony P. Rookie Blue Prism autograph 2-color patch for the Vikings, Stefan Diggs, 3 out of 50. Going to Ted. Triple patch for the Broncos, C.J. Anderson, Peyton Manning, Cody Latimer. Going to Gordon, 53 out of 99. And another one for you, Gordy, Sunday's best Peyton Manning patch, 34 out of 99. Pink Prism for the Titans is Zach Mettenberger, 9 out of 10. Going to Tad. Gigantic rookie patch for the Raiders, Amari Cooper. Going to Anthony, 129 out of 199. Rookie dual patch for the Vikings, Stefon Diggs, green parallel. 24 out of 25. Going to Tad. And we'll finish up with a Ben Koyak, rookie auto for the Jags. 96 out of 199. Going to Donald. We're back at it tomorrow with some more Spectra football. Always a fun one. Take a look, grab a spot, and we'll see you tomorrow night.